Have you ever wondered what makes a modern home look so clean and inviting? Are you struggling to style your space in a way that feels contemporary yet personal? Curious about simple ways to elevate your home's aesthetic? Welcome to Future Home AI channel. Modern design is rooted in simplicity and functionality, drawing inspiration from minimalist principles and clean lines. Imagine a space with open, airy rooms, sleek furniture, and a focus on natural materials. This is the core of modern aesthetics. Here, less is more, and every piece serves a purpose without cluttering the space. This style values practicality and organization, avoiding unnecessary decoration in favor of purposeful items that enhance the room's functionality. For instance, furniture often features clean edges, smooth finishes, and neutral colors to give a timeless feel. This approach is not about eliminating personality. It's about letting select items shine by creating a calm, unadorned backdrop. Modern aesthetics make a space feel calm, uncluttered, and inviting, perfect for those who value balance between beauty and practicality. Color is central to setting the tone of any space, and in a modern home, colors play a subtle yet essential role. In a modern home, colors are usually neutral, with a focus on whites, grays, and earthy tones that provide a calm and versatile background. This choice of colors creates an atmosphere that feels both clean and sophisticated. Accent colors can be used sparingly, often in muted hues like soft blues, dusty pinks, or deep greens to add interest without overwhelming. These accents can be integrated through cushions, small decorative items, or artwork, adding just enough contrast to break up the neutrals. The result is a harmonious balance of calm and energy, where colors enhance the sense of openness and sophistication without overpowering. Choosing a unified palette makes it easier to mix and match items across rooms while maintaining a cohesive look. Statement pieces like unique furniture or decor items add character and individuality to a modern home. These pieces could be anything from a sculptural chair, a large abstract painting, or an artisan-crafted vase that stands out against the simplicity of the surrounding decor. By incorporating these distinct elements, you bring a layer of depth and intrigue into each room. It's all about creating a focal point that draws the eye and sparks conversation. However, balance is key. Each statement piece should complement the room's overall theme without stealing the show entirely. Think of these pieces as a way to express personality while still adhering to a modern aesthetic. A well-chosen statement piece can elevate the feel of a room, making it more engaging and visually captivating without compromising its clean and organized appearance. Lighting in a modern home is often a blend of natural and artificial sources to enhance both ambience and functionality. Large windows or skylights are popular for allowing plenty of natural light during the day, which keeps the room looking bright, fresh, and spacious. For evenings, adding warm-toned artificial lighting can create a cozy atmosphere while still adhering to the clean look of a modern home. Pendant lights, floor lamps, and dimmable LED strips are excellent for layering light and making each room more versatile. You can adjust lighting to match the mood. Brighter for workspaces, softer for relaxation areas. Choosing fixtures with sleek, simple designs keeps the overall aesthetic intact and ensures that lighting complements, rather than distracts from, the room's decor. Good lighting transforms not just the room's look, but also how you feel in it. Achieving a cohesive look involves balancing the elements of color, texture, and layout in each room to create harmony throughout the home. Consistency in tones, materials, and finishes helps each room feel connected, while varied textures add depth without compromising the clean look. For instance, matching metal finishes or using similar wood tones across different rooms enhances the flow of the space. Even small details like matching hardware or using consistent finishes contribute to a unified look that feels well planned. Cohesion doesn't mean every room must look the same. It's more about allowing each space to have its own identity while contributing to a larger, harmonious aesthetic. By layering textures, coordinating colors, and choosing pieces that echo each other, you ensure that your home feels thoughtfully designed from room to room. Curating a modern aesthetic for your home is all about striking a balance between form and function, ensuring every element has a purpose and creates harmony within the space. From the colors you choose to the statement pieces you incorporate, each detail contributes to the overall experience of the home. Creating a space that feels contemporary, inviting, and unique to you is an achievable goal with these tips. So why not start transforming your home today? Don't forget to give a like, share with friends who might love these tips, and subscribe to stay updated on more design inspiration.